Got a quiz for you. So, what's more addictive than cocaine? Sugar. Yeah, actually sugar. And did you know, back in the 1800s, we used to eat 4 pounds of sugar a year. Now the average person eats 75 pounds to 90 pounds of sugar per year. Okay, but we don't know why. I mean, I really don't know, why. Well, guess what? Today what happens is our food, it lacks in minerals, antioxidants, proper fatty acids. So the reality is people are eating empty food. And when you eat empty food, your tank is always running on empty. And believe it or not, the only reason why you walk around hungry all the time is because you never turn off your hunger. Do you know why? Because only minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants will turn off your hunger. So the reality is we're not in the regeneration phase of this country. We are in the degeneration phase because sugar causes more inflammation in the human body than any other food, and it's not really a food. That's why white sugar can sit on the shelf forever and a day, and that's why a store like this is always going to be full of people that can never get filled because it's minerals, enzymes, okay, and vitamins that turn off your hunger. So don't do a weight loss program, do a nutritional program where you take in your nutrients and bring up your vibration. That's why I have tons of energy. I don't eat a lot, okay? I don't eat a lot, okay? Take the light in wherever you go. Everything you eat, drink, and everybody you hang around with, make sure their vibration's high or they're going to bring you down, okay? Yeah, you will have energy if you eat this stuff, but it'll be long lasting, and then you'll crash, and then you'll wonder why you have ADHD, why you have ADD, why you're depressed, why you have to go on depression meds when there is no such thing as depression, okay? There's just you running on empty. Why do you feel sad? I don't know. Well, get happy, okay? And become the sweetness of your life.